hopefully everyone is doing well. Today's target is to understand nested if, or if we want to use multiple conditions in one cell. What does that mean? You will be understanding with this data. Suppose we have codes and its products, but instead of writing products in front of code, we will be automating it by putting multiple if or multiple conditions. So as you will put code, automatically product would be appeared over here. Once again, if you will put A01, books would be appeared automatically over here. If you will put B01 code, automatically registers would be appeared in product box. How you will be able to do that? For this purpose you will use if. Now please note carefully, multiple ifs would be used, and it is requested to please focus upon this cell. You will be able to understand what I am writing. So if, then you will start your bracket and you want to use this code. First you are saying if this cell, that means A939, whatever the cell number is, code will show A01. Please understand what you have done. First A939 is cell number, and then in inverted commas you have written the code. Then you will use comma, and next, since these are books, again you will use inverted comma, and you will close your inverted commas. So please understand, this is a procedure what we have done. First we have selected the cell number, and in cell number what code has been written you have posted, and at that place after comma you have used books if your condition is accepted. Since there are 4 codes, what we will do, again we will start with if, then we will start our bracket, and we will be doing next code is B01. So here, if this cell number is equal to B01 with inverted commas, so next this should appear. Now you can see that in B01 it is registered, so just write down registered with inverted commas. There is no change. You can see that first cell number, if it is A01, write books. Then again if it is B01, then write register, and we will start our third condition. Again if, you will start your bracket, cell number is same, is equal to, then inverted comma, and now we will put C01 is equal to, if it is C01 comma, and third is registers, inverted commas close. So in similar, first if we have seen over here, this was your first if. What we have said, if it is A01, books, if it is B01, register, if it is C01, then it was pen. Alright guys, so our 3 conditions fulfilled. For next we will again put if bracket start cell is similar, if it is equal to, next code we will put D01. Then so for D01 it is pencil inverted comma pencil inverted commas closed. All right, all four conditions we have put in the same formula, and in case if these codes are not mentioned, that means rejection stage, you will be writing not applicable. Whatever you want to write, you can write over here. That is not applicable, false. Since we have used four conditions, so 1 close bracket, 2, 3 and 4th close bracket we have posted over here, and finally our formula would be completed. You can see over here books appeared. Actually one inverted comma was not present over here, so I have written. So guys, in this way our formula is completed. So I'm going to copy and will paste upon here. You will see that when you will put these codes, automatically registers and pencils would be appear over here. So here you have seen that this formula would be used everywhere. All right, now let's say if I would delete it, what will happen? Not applicable would be appearing over here. Okay, so here as I will put code B01, and you can see register should be appeared in second. Look, automatically register is present over here. And now when I will put D01, look, for D what we have? Pencil. Look, pencil automatically appeared over here. If we will put over here B01, for B, as we know, it is register. Look, for B we have decided it is register, and as I will enter, you will see this pencil would be changed into register. So I'm going to enter. Look, changed. Now I am going to paste A over here instead of B. So please note it down. For A we have already decided there should be books. Right now it is register. As I will put enter, this register would be turned automatically into the books. So here, look at here, books are changed. So in this way you have created an automated system where whenever you will put any code, product would automatically be appeared over here. So last not applicable because no code is present. Let's see, you want to put C, and you know that C is your pen. This not applicable would automatically be changed into pen. So here pen. So guys, in this way we have seen that if we want to put multiple product name which we want to appear automatically, for that purpose you will use if. So here was our case, and I'm very sure that you people have understood. If there is any difficulty, you can ask question directly. I will try to accommodate that question. I will try to answer that question quickly. So thank you very much for your time. It is requested to practice as many times as you can do. So thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.